G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a vampire kiss, a viewer request from Trent.
To most, I am known simply as
Renfield's boss.
This recipe calls for vodka, Chambord, cranberry juice, grenadine, and the juice of a fresh lemon. Into a shaker, add 45 ml of vodka, 30 ml of Chambord, 15 ml of cranberry juice, 15 ml of fresh lemon juice, 15 ml of grenadine. Put that away for a second. Grab a plate, pour some sugar in a circle, carefully dress the rim of your glass with grenadine. You should have some sugar on the rim of your glass. Now all we need to do is, you guessed it, add ice and shake. If you are going to use dry ice for this effect, make sure that you wear gloves, use tongs and wear goggles. Do not eat or drink the dry ice. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.